Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this secondary video, we're going through with you how to use Microsoft Clarity to view data on how people are engaging with your website. Awesome. So in the previous video, what we covered is the little extension tools, such as the actual heat map, the template, as well as the video recordings. In this video, we'll be actually diving deep into the actual analytics from Microsoft Clarity on Microsoft Clarity. So the first thing that you want to do is navigate to Clarity at Microsoft.com. And if you have Google Analytics, it should connect automatically, or they will guide you by giving you a snippet of the code where you can add to the header of your website. Awesome. Now you've got that done, you just have to wait to get some analytics running in first, and then it will show you a range of analytics that you need to know. In this quick video, we'll be going through all of them just to give you an insight on what each and every single does. Awesome. So this is sessions. Obviously, this is the amount of people that have visited your website. Actually, in fact, let's just start over here. So you want to click your project. We have multiple projects there, and this is the dashboard. There's recording. So the recording is like live recordings of when a person actually goes on the website, what they click, what they read, where they are, where they stop reading, where they bounce out of your website, and so on. Then there's a heat map. Heat map is practically where they click. You can actually see, probably if they click there will be a nice heat map showing that majority of the people will come onto the website, click there, and more data. As well as it gives us a heat, like it shows you the click depth, how deep people scroll on the website. And of course, there's settings. You can customize Microsoft Clarity. Awesome. Then there's support, feedback, yes. All right, so right here you can filter on what you want to see. Like for example, if you want to see user info in the past days, PPC, location, maybe we'll just create a separate video on how to customize and set specific settings on Microsoft Clarity. Awesome. Then there's segments. So you can choose a segment maybe from a specific location, a specific URL on your website, and so on. And of course the time, which I kept it basic, which is 3 days. And what's pretty cool is you can always download this data in case you want to share it with your client. So going back here, so this is sessions. This is practically the number of visitors you had during the specific session that you have selected above here. And the pages, so averaging 1.90. I'm sure that doesn't make sense to some people, but it means that almost the average people are using 2 pages on the website. The scroll depth is 50%. So 50% of this right here. So majority of the people read up to 50%. So that's really good insights. And active time spent. So there's 2 minutes, 2 seconds. So people usually read on the website to gain information and so on. This is real time. It shows live users on the actual website, unique users in the sense that they'll be in different countries, probably not in your specific target area, and so on. And these are the all users, so it usually tells us where they are, and right here at the bottom it will show you what devices they use. So this is range of clicks, dead clicks. That means that they couldn't find what they were looking for. Excessive scrolling, quick backs. That's just people clicking back. They didn't get to the page that they wanted. So this is where the traffic is practically getting from. So as you can see, majority is coming from Google, ProLemon.com, app, handshake.com, and so on. So this is really good insights. What's awesome about this tool, once more, you can always download this data, or you can hide if in case you don't want. So these channels practically pulled from Google Analytics. So this is something that you always want to keep in mind. Awesome. So this is the different browsers people are using on the website, popular pages, as you could see here, and JavaScript errors. So that was just quick insight on how to use the dashboard on Microsoft Clarity. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. We produce videos on a daily to teach you SEO tips. To the next video. Goodbye.